What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Secret with Mario and Graham. This is game 4 between Rain or Shine and Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. But before we continue, please join our Facebook group, Six Man Podcast Benchmob, for all your basketball discussions and yeah, best group in the world. Uh Rain or Shine winning convincingly against Ginebra in this Wednesday, May 27, winning 97 to 85. Doing it despite JJ in foul trouble. Pero if nakita mo yung stats ng bench, everybody contributed, no? Hindi lang siya one-sided scoring. It's everyone. Noku, Manaytay, Malonzo, Karakut, Santillan, even sina David. Sina VJ David. So, ito yung parang A-plus game na you want from Rain or Shine every time. But you know na-tsempohan rin nila Hinebra with a C game, to say the least, no? It's a C game. D plus C. Graham, nakamute ka.
C game. What? Is that a C? That's an F game, bro.
Oh, F game pala. I was trying to be nice. Baka sabihin nila masaya na naman ako natalo Hinebra eh. Guys, hindi ako masaya pag talo Hinebra. Wala tayong views pag talo Hinebra. We're talking to a businessman here.
Dude, that wasn't a C game from Ginebra. That was a D plus
D
F
plus.
game.
Alright, so D may ano.
Basta bro,
It's
D
an
to
F
F yun.
D to
It
F,
wasn't a
okay.
good
So
game.
mabait pa yung C, mabait pa yung C.
Yeah. Pero I think it was a D to F game because of Ross's defense on Ginebra. That's how I'll say that. Ginebra missed some pretty makeable shots. We're not gonna pretend like they didn't. But in general, Ross's defense tonight was very, very strong on Ginebra. That was a mix of missed shots from JB, mix of missed shots from RJ. But Ross deserved the win no matter what we say here. Kasi it was an all-out contribution. And the first guy you have to look at is Christian Manaytay.
Former UST Growling Tiger.
The UST
Bro?
Growling Tiger, Christian
Pakilang pick si
Manaytay.
Christian Manaytay.
Huh?
Second round. Teka lang, Christian na.
After Sunny.
Early yan. Early. First round, there you go. He's early. Christian Manaytay is good.
He was in the draft before Sunny.
10th
diba?
pick. He's the 10th pick. 2025 season
Yeah,
50
yeah.
draft. Ano ba si Steel 50? Oo, no?
50 siya.
Yeah, same.
So before
So
Sunny.
the drop off from the 10th pick to the 11th pick, man.
Hey. Okay, you know what? People said we talk too much trash on Sunny. I'll let it go for tonight. But man, this is the type of game na kasi si JJ nga foul trouble the whole game basically. Foul trouble siya. He had a flagrant foul in the first quarter, which I'll be honest, as a Ginebra fan, I don't believe that's a flagrant foul. Have you seen it? Did you guys see the flagrant that they called on him?
Not a flag.
I don't think I
Um,
think people will say na it could be kasi parang in-extend niya yung paa niya, which I understand, may possibility, pero I don't think he did that. I don't personally, I personally don't think he did that. I think it helped, it not help. I think what kind of made the refs call it a flagrant was that na-injure si Troy for a good span. He looked really hurt in that moment. Pero either way, dude, Ross, at that point, nung nag-flagrant si Jalen, that was 3 minutes left in the first quarter or 4 minutes left in the first quarter. I thought, dire-diretso na yung Ginebra at that point. Kasi wala kang import for the rest of the first quarter. And then, at that point, it could be okay. Pero, I think it was a 3 by Manaytay and then an end 1 by Nokum, if I remember it correctly, na kind of swung the momentum talagang towards Ross. And I don't think Ginebra ever recovered at any point after that.
Great point, man. Ganda ng depensa talaga ng Rain or Shine. The fact that not only did RJ score 8 points, but you only allowed him to take 8 shots is crazy. Si RJ palili pa rin niya talaga yan if he has
If
a
it's open.
window.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no opening at all. I mean, you'd think na if natulog ka, gumising ka, you saw RJ scored 8. It's probably, about 2 of 16 shooting kind of game. But no, 3 of 8. So, Ganda talaga ng depensa ng Rain or Shine for the second straight game. And this time, man, tinuloy nila paglaruin si Joshua
Si
David.
David!
Diba? Kasi last game, he started, listen to the pod, thank you so much. But, hanggang doon lang. Hanggang the first 3, 4, 5 minutes lang siya naglaro. I mean, after that,
First 2
sayonara,
minutes lang.
Jason David. At least we tried.
He hit,
Diba?
he hit threes also, di ba? 2
Yeah, he
threes,
had a
3
threes.
threes.
He opened the game with a three-pointer as Aaron Black
Yeah.
missed again. Sorry, it was Cliff Hodge. Pero man, di ba, parang this time he played 18 minutes and contributed 8 points. So, I don't know. I don't know kung bakit din na siya pinalaro ulit nung game number 3 after he started. Pero it proves that he's a very valuable player kasi nga yung sinabi mo Mario after game 2 is yun talaga yung trabaho niya. Inisin si Scotty and which so far is
RJ
not
also.
effective. And si RJ Barrientos. So
Yeah.
with his role sa Rain or Shine na andyan naman si Nokum to score, andyan naman si Karakot to score, andyan naman sila Clarito to score. Hindi niya na kailangan ng opensa man pero the fact that you contributed 8 points. I mean, if he did not score, it would have been a 4-point game. Am I right?
Oh, I
Matt?
hate that, dude. Stop it. I swear
Yan
on
na
my
naman.
life. Stop it. I swear on my life. By the way, this isn't the
Okay.
Meralco TNT video yet, but we are currently watching it while we record this. You're
Mhm.
welcome,
Yeah.
Meralco. That's all I'll say
Oh,
for
yeah.
now. You're welcome, Meralco.
Yeah. Isn't it nice, Meralco, to
Isn't
have
it nice,
an import
Meralco, to have an import who wants to shoot?
na... yeah.
Ganado. At may confidence. Confident na akin na yung bola.
Speaking of
Yeah.
wanting to shoot, brother, Stephen Holt, man.
Yeah, we'll get there, man. We'll get there. We have to give props muna to Rain or Shine.
Rain
They
or
got
Shine,
the
yeah.
win, di ba? This has to be the most convincing win of the series for either team. Inebra could have had it in game number
Game
2,
2. Yeah.
but you know they let go of the ropes and made it a close game with 2 minutes, 3 minutes to go. Anyway, the David insertion is good. Kalen Johnson struggled on offense, but I don't care, man. Yung depensa niya talaga kay Justin Brownlee ang lala. Sobrang galing talaga ni
Asawa kung
Kalen
asawa,
Johnson.
brother.
Grabe, man. I mean, a lot of women's probably dreaming of asawahin sila ni Kalen Johnson, but you know, Justin Brownlee getting all the benefits in life.
For once,
Good
tama yung mga
basketball
sinasabi ni
player.
Graham. For once, si
Yeah,
Graham is like, okay,
inaasawa ni
yeah, you
Kalen
can say that.
Johnson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totoo yan.
I mean, am I wrong with that? Diba? So, he scored 5 points. Fine. Okay lang. Kasi yung ginawa mo kay Brownlee, although he scored 27 points, 9 of 20 shooting and siguro mga 8 or 9 dun, mahirap na tira from Justin Brownlee. So, you did your job. And the amazing fact with any Coach Sheng Yao team is kahit sino pwedeng gumawa, no player scored more than 13 points.
Yeah.
Crazy. Jalen Johnson, who only played 26 minutes because of foul trouble, led them in scoring with 13. How crazy is that, diba?
Bro,
This
yeah,
typical coaching team talaga na parang yung old Rain or Shine na mag-i-start bigla si Jonathan Nuiloan, si Chito Jaime in the finals. Parang, who is that guy? Tapos magulat ka, babanatan ka ng 6 to 8 points. It's
guy.
just how coaching operates and
those are MPBL
It's work.
mainstays right now, by the way.
yeah, but
Actually, mga PB.
bro, mid-2010s, lason yun sa Hinebra, lason niya sa Sunwig Coffee, ang si Jonathan Nuiloan sa mga Chito Jaimes of the world, mga sino pa ba yung isa? Larry Rodriguez, yung mga ganyan. Man.
Larry
Yun yung
Rodriguez,
mga favorite
putik
ni Coach Ching talaga na ano. There's
Even
one
rin ni
time,
Mario yun, si Larry Rodriguez.
bro, he's pure.
Tatay,
He's pure,
tatay
man.
yun, man.
Yeah,
Sige,
he's
Yung mama. Mama o mama.
Yun, man.
Larry Rodriguez is the how do I say this? Larry Rodriguez is the Hakeem Olajuwon of Maurice Spates. Parang ganun.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Okay.
I see it. That's why I won't fully hate on you for it. I see the vision.
Mario
man,
usually hates on that, pero
That's
it's
why,
like,
but I see the vision today.
gets.
And here's the
valid,
thing,
legit.
when you go up against Hinebra, di ba? Kailangan lagi kang may pamatay sunog. Always. Pag kalaban mo yung Hinebra, kailangan may pamatay sunog ka always. And Ross, at many points in this game, had that pamatay sunog. Yun nga, nung first quarter, what's this called? BGR tuloy. Sorry, he just made a 3. Jalen Johnson, flagrant foul, has to sit down 4 minutes.
Not a
Pamatay
flagrant.
sunog,
You're
Christian
right. Not a
Manaytay.
flagrant.
Diba? Yeah, that's what I told you a while ago, but you weren't responding. First quarter yun, di ba? Second quarter, third quarter, Ginebra's making a run. I think they cut it down to 8, 9, or 10, something like that. I forgot.
10 or 12.
And
Hindi yata ba na single digits eh. If
nag-10
I'm
yun eh.
not
Nag-10 yun after
mistaken.
an
Yeah,
RJ3.
10 or 12.
Yeah. And then, naka-respond sila agad. Christian Manaytay in the paint. You always need the pamatay sunogs against Ginebra. That's the key to against Ginebra is finding that pamatay sunog. Because they will make their run. Diba? It's very normal for them to make their run. Even if they're up 10, down 20, whatever. The Ginebra will always make their run. But if you find that pamatay sunog, which they did a while ago, you have a good chance of winning that game. And that's what they did. They found it every single time. When Japet had the end one in the fourth quarter, na may pamatay sunog silang, I think it was a Karakot.
Karakot. 3.
Karakot, di ba? Yeah, it was a Karakot three-pointer. BGR is on something else right now, man.
Pamatay sunog man. Kaya nga hindi pinapakawalan ng TNT si Glenn Cobontin eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Anytime he never makes a run, it's a Glenn
There's a
Cobontin
pamatay
3-pointer
sunog
that ends it. Yeah.
always, brother. And that's why, and Ross had those pamatay sunogs today. That's why people are wondering na, they were surprised that Hinebra was unable to make the full comeback. Brother, it's because Ross had the pamatay sunog every single time. It helps as well. What did we say last episode, Graham? Who needs to have a good game from Rain or Shine?
Hold on. Who I forgot, man.
Leonard Santillan, brother. We said
Oo.
Leonard Santillan had to have a good game.
Pwede
And
na to. I mean, 5-5.
pwede na
We
to,
have seen
brother.
better days. We have seen better days from Santi.
Brother, pwede na to kumpara sa zero.
Actually,
Kumpara sa 0
yeah.
and 0.
kumpara sa
Yeah.
zero.
Pwede na yun, men. And yung mga tinitira niya, masakit yun kasi three-point shot yun over Brownlee, put back layup or something like that. Tas may, to a certain extent, may kabantay niya si Brownlee, kabantay niya si Troy. So, I get it na 5-5 is not Santillan numbers or what he could produce. But that is what he in this series, 5-5 from him, that's pretty okay na. You can take it.
Pwede na, yeah.
Baby
You can
steps,
take it.
man. From 0
Yeah,
0. You
from 0 to
can
5,
have
brother.
30. You can have 30 and 10. Like baby
Yeah.
steps muna.
Baby steps
Forgive,
muna.
Forgiving
tayo.
ka kay Santillan, compared to
Bro,
other
I've been a fan
players.
of Santi for the longest time. So, that's why medyo maano ako sa kanya.
Oo nga,
Like,
mabait ka eh.
yeah. Usually I'd be
I,
clowning him, but he's a nice guy, man.
I
Nice
like
guy.
Big Su can shoot.
Nice guy.
I like Big Su
Nice
can
guy
shoot,
today.
and Santillan is that kind of guy. Bro, I don't think people are giving Mike Malonzo enough credit. Yung he's
Go
you
ahead.
don't you alam mo yung pag may lumabas na player, you don't wait for Mike Malonzo in the tunnel. You don't ask
Hey,
Mike Malonzo
there
for
are
his
some,
autograph.
NU fans out there would be waiting for Mike. What do you mean?
I know, but I mean, even if you're a Ross fan, parang he's not someone na kagaya ni Nokum na ang sarap gayahin, 'di ba? Or kagaya ni Karakot na nakwela, fun guy, you know.
Yeah.
Fun guy.
Fun
And
guy. Nice guy.
in
Fun
all those
guy.
factors, or kagaya ni
Fun
Kalen
guy.
Chongso na pogi, 'di ba? I mean, Mike Malonzo just wants to play basketball. Yung
He
para siya
does
si
like to.
Kevin Durant. Okay, just want to play hoop. Just want to play
Ah,
hoop. Doesn't matter. Siguro nga baka nga sa party nila naggaganyan-ganyan pa yan si Mike Malonzo, di ba? I mean, he just wants to play hoop. And in less than 15 minutes, he scored more than Joshua David, and he's a +4. So, in binabantayan niya rin si Justin Brownlee on switches. Minsan napupunta pa siya kay Japet, minsan pupunta siya kay Scottie. I mean, are you prime LeBron, Mike Malonzo? You're guarding everyone. You're guarding the best scorer, you're
Prime
guarding
Lebron.
the best guard, you're
Prime
guarding
LeBron.
the best big man of the team. So, I don't know what's going on. But I believe he should have been the best player. Siya ba yung best player of the game? Si Manaytay, no?
Manaytay.
Si
Si
Manaytay yung best
Manaytay,
player of the game. But there was an argument
they play the same.
you
That's why
could have
nalilito
made.
ka.
They're the
Yeah,
same
na
player.
They're the same
si
player, bro.
Malonzo.
They're the
Mhm.
same player.
And
Mas post up lang
and
talaga si
yeah,
Christian.
any basket by Mike Malonzo and Christian Manaytay, they feel like dagger, man. Sakit, parang di naman dapat yan eh. Di naman
Yeah.
dapat, dapat honest din eh. But, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, man. They're a deep team. And even Bo Belga scored a basket. I mean, in the big 2026, Bo Belga still hit scoring baskets.
You know
And
it's your
still,
time. You
yeah.
know it's your days, man. If Big
Tanggapin
Bo
mo
is
na lang,
hitting.
tanggapin mo na lang when Bo Belga scored the basket. I mean, it is what it is. But all in all, man, great win by Rain or Shine. Sensational defense. You limited Ginebra to just 36 points at the half, which is
That's tough.
really crazy. That's crazy. And the fact na even nga nung may run si Ginebra in the third, hindi talaga sila natinag as BGR finally missed the three.
I know, right?
It's
I
just crazy na
I know right there.
First
yeah,
miss
it's
of the
just
day.
crazy na hindi man lang, it never felt na Ginebra was a threat in the second half for me. The fact na hindi mo siya napababa sa 8-7, parang ganon, it never felt a threat. Of course, the crowd will be there, which sobrang daming tao kanina and it was predominantly Ginebra, pero hindi talaga sila nanaratel. They're really, really trained to fight the Ginebra
Ano
crowd.
to
And
nangyari kay coaching at
look out for
Ano lang yun,
Al
oh,
Francis.
Coach Yeng wants the hair of Coach Al.
No. No, bro, hindi naman kita inaaway even if I want your hair, even if I want Nico's hair, hindi ko kayo inaaway. But nung halftime ata yun,
Yeah, I
dinaanan
didn't
siya
catch
ni
it
Coach Yeng.
Okay.
Dinaanan siya ni Coach Yeng and parang nabangga ata siya ni Coach Yeng or nasagi or something.
Nasagi, okay.
Barely. It's like
Brushed.
Stefan
Brushed.
Castle to SGA, parang ganun lang.
Di ba De'Aaron
Bagyang
Fox yun?
bagya lang.
Yung sumide view?
Yeah,
De'Aaron
De'Aaron
Fox
Fox
yun.
in game 4. Parang ganun, and hindi ata siya in-approach si coaching, no words, no
Baka locked in
nothing.
lang talaga din. Parang alam mo yung...
Siguro.
Yeah.
And
Pero
you
first
know, coach,
quarter pa lang ata. Parang first quarter na agad, parang may
could be.
something na nangyari.
Pero yung halftime video kasi talaga nilingon siya ni Coach Al.
Okay,
I don't know if he was
dire-diretso si Yeng.
expecting Coach Yeng to approach him or say any words, but you know, Coach Yeng, he's not gonna kiss anyone's ass, di ba? He's Coach Yeng.
He's Coach Yeng.
So,
Yeah.
after the game, nagpang-abot sila, nagsagutan,
Okay.
yap, and you know how those things work. Pero no big deal. Coach Al did that to who's that? Coach Nash Racela in 2017, if I'm not mistaken, di ba?
Babatian naman lang din after.
Umabot pa sa Twitter yung ano nila, yung beef nila. So, it was really some crazy times. Coach Al din naman, hindi rin naman yan
Nagpapatalo.
magbaback down against anyone. So, you know, exciting.
Pagkasan sila ng mukha.
Another storyline to add in game number 5 now that we're tied at 2.
Bro, another thing, you talked about Malonzo kanina. You see his haircut? Do you see
Yung
like the
parang may
tie?
ponytail na
It's
ano
a little
dito.
ponytail.
Yeah.
I was like, what is that? That's cool, man. I'm not gonna
Parang
lie.
pumayat rin si Malonzo, no? From his NU. He really
From
lost
his
to
NU
it.
days, oh.
Kaya hindi ko siya ma-distinguish ni Manaytay eh. Sabi ko, sino ba dito si Manaytay?
Conditioning na yun, ano.
Same play style, same build.
Si Malonzo dati, Manaytay's always been kind of a post-up type of guy. Pero yung build nila, nag-iba na rin. Like, I think they both gotten generally
They got slender. They got
Yeah,
slimmer,
they both
slender.
gotten
Yeah.
slimmer. Parang ano lang yan, parang Kenneth Lofton Jr. in China.
He
Shout
never
out
got
Ken.
slimmer, bro. He's still
Uy,
wide.
he's big. He's still big, but then, dude, compare him to his US or Utah days, bro.
Oh, that's
ang
different.
Ang payat na. He's
Memphis, you
better
mean?
na.
Memphis days.
Memphis days, hindi talaga. Pero yeah, anyway, going to
Ayun lang naman.
One quick question. What's your favorite aircon setting? Is it 22, 23,
17.
24, 25?
So hot.
17.
Bro, I like it cold. Get hot, man.
Naka 19 lang
Okay.
kami ngayon.
Wait, what do you need me to say for your joke?
No, I mean, I'm at 24 right now.
I'm at,
and medyo
I'm at
nilalamig ako.
19. Oh, guys,
It doesn't
comment
matter,
your
man. Meralco's
aircon.
it's just gonna charge you whatever they want, to be honest.
This guy is
Yeah,
he's fighting Meralco about everything.
Oh.
Anyway, going to Ginebra, man. Scotty has been great. No,
It's his team, man.
complaints.
No doubt.
Yeah, he heard he got it. But Scotty's been amazing so far this playoffs. That's been guaranteed. Grabe to si Gardner, tira ng tira to. My God, bro.
Bro,
Tira
nagreklamo
lang.
tayo kay
Pass
Jones
the
na
ball.
hindi tumitira, di ba?
That's the ball, Gardner. But
Gagi si Gardner parang Brandon Bates na gusto tumira, no?
Brandon
Left hand-
Bates with a 3-point shot. But then
Yeah,
the
Brandon Bates was trained as a wing.
Yeah, that's a Gardner.
si Gardner yun.
But, man,
Wait, tapusin na natin to. Wrap up na natin to. Wrap up na natin to. Yeah.
Banquero's face card, man. That's just illegal.
oh my God. Scotty's been great.
Yep.
There's no denying it. He was also the one who was kind of leading the charge nung quarter na yun na parang, uy, kaya pa natin humabol kahit papaano, di ba? Like he was the one kind of doing that. But let's be real, man. Stephen Holt, there needs to be something better from you.
Para tayo sirap
Just-
plaka, we keep on saying the same thing, no? It's still the
Yeah, it
same
just
thing.
can't be this way, man. It
Bro,
just can't be.
kay Stephen Holt lang di umiepekto yung
Mga sinasabi
promise
natin.
ng six-man pod, man.
Yung podcast
It
na to,
works for anyone
nagtatagalog
else.
tayo eh.
Works for anyone else but Stephen Holt.
Pati si JB nakikinig sa, oh yeah.
Dude, we've
What's
been
that task?
trying.
Pati si Ice, man. I mean, Ice is already pleading.
Bro, we've
Hindi
been
pa rin.
trying,
Hindi pa rin
man.
gumagana.
We've been trying, man.
Alam nyo ba, yung stats ni Holt ngayon na 8 and 6, first quarter niya lang sa Terra Firma yan eh. Diba?
Yeah.
First quarter niya sa Terra Firma yan.
Sino ulit trade natin for him? Stanley Pringle.
Yeah, well. Okay lang rin naman. He's not playing anymore. He's supposed to be with Ross, diba?
Yeah.
Wait, I'll
Bro, listen. Si Scotty lang talaga yung lumaban kanina for Ginebra. Outside of Brownlee. Actually, even Japet. I liked how the way Japet played kanina. Very, very rare. Pero halos hindi ako nainis kanina watching Japet Aguilar. Actually, hindi talaga ako nainis. He was using his height. He was using his advantage. And he did not hurt us in ways he did before. 10 and 10, di ba? He's injured. Only shot 7 attempts. I would have loved more. Pero he was helpful kanina, si Japet Aguilar. But please, maawa naman kay Justin Brownlee, man. 30, ilang taon na yun? 36, 37? He's still carrying the load 10 years later. At some point, there has to be someone wearing jersey number 14 na pwede naman sigurong umalalay sa scoring load because Justin Brownlee, hirap na nga siya. He's hurt. He still played 41 minutes. And people are still not contributing on the other side. RJ Barrientos, pinag-usapan natin kanina, it happens, di ba? It just sucks na nangyari siya in the playoffs. But off games happen. 8 points on 3 of 8 shooting, -8. It's fine, I'll take that. At least we're still tied instead of going down 1-3 if we blew
Dude,
any of the
we
any
just
of the
give
last two
Santi,
games.
just give Santillan credit for 5 and 5. We'll let it slide.
I know. But Santi came from 0-0. RJ came from like 17 and
17,
and something. Yeah, so, di ba? I don't know how hurt Troy Rosario is, pero hindi ko siya ganun karamdam kanina. The bad thing for
Those are bad.
Ginebra, the bad thing for Ginebra is there's only 1 day worth of rest. Di ba? Game agad on Friday. At least second game na sila, still in Araneta. But it is going to be interesting how RJ Barrientos will bounce back. Kasi we've seen him bounce back in the regular season. In the
Yeah,
playoffs
bawi
though,
yan.
pag nag-struggle si RJ, it is real. And hindi siya agad nakaka-bounce back. Remember, ilang series yun against San Miguel, ilang series yun against TNT.
But that was before, iba na yung RJ ngayon eh. That
I
was
know,
RJ na
but-
nakangapapa and everything.
That's what I think we're gonna see now is how much can RJ
Yes. Yeah.
actually.
The-
Let's see it.
there's
Because people have that's always been the claims on RJ, on Bolik.
Yeah.
Regular season, you're good. Playoff, let's see what you can do, diba?
Yeah.
The same thing
There's a
right
target on his back in game 5, brothers, na parang we have to see how you perform. It has to be decent because we've seen before na he struggled and you were not able to bounce back right away in the playoffs. Do I want him to bounce back? Absolutely. Do I believe in RJ? Absolutely. So I want to see it. I want to see that come back in game number 5 or bounce back in game number 5.
One more thing, dude. I know these are very limited minutes, but what I saw from Abyss was okay. What I saw from John Abyss was pretty good.
Pwede na, yeah. Yeah.
Like, pero man, ganito kasi yun ah. If Holt is having a bad game, how do you still play him 40 minutes? Gets ba?
That's my problem. Kasi, again man, pinag-usapan natin to nakaraan, hindi naman siya yung import stopper ngayon eh. Hindi
Yeah.
to Governor's Cup eh. So, what's the reason? Yeah?
Yeah, that's why I guess it's really just the minutes. I've always had a problem naman talaga with how Coach Tim does the minutes for his teams. It's always been a thing with me. Uy, Gardner, my God.
Will we see Gardner pass the ball?
Oh my God.
Anyway.
Gardner.
Solid yung Gardner,
Yeah,
no?
you're-
Apat yung bantay niya, man.
Saan to galing? China?
They, Lebanon ata yun eh. If I'm
Lebanon.
remembering it
Well,
correctly.
Egyptian national team.
Egyptian
Pero
national team yun. So I'm not sure. He's American. He's American. He's American.
Chris
Like,
Macalo.
anyway,
Bro,
Chill
get
lang.
their Steven Holt point because I don't know why he's playing heavy minutes
that many.
still
I
kapag
agree.
wala siyang
I
contribution.
agree. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just a rotation thing. Oh my god. um, uh, it could just be a rotation thing. That's why I'm kind of annoyed by it. But end of the day, man, Coach Tim is Coach Tim. I'm not better than Coach Tim. So I can't say anything about that. He's always gonna be better. But the minutes compared to the production, it's kind of crazy for me. But it's whatever. Game 5, because we've been here for like 20, 30 minutes already. Game 5, man, could go either way. We've seen Hinebra look good. We've seen Ross look good. We've seen Hinebra look like doggy, and we've seen Ross look like doggy, diba? It's really just, I guess, sino yung magandang gising that day. Obviously, you'll never see me. Wow, he missed two. You'll never see me pick against Hinebra, so I will say Hinebra wins in Game 5. But as I will continue to say, if there's a team that I want to beat Hinebra, let's make it Ross. At least make it Ross. That's all I ask for.
Okay, I'm not gonna do that bullshit, but
Oh,
I don't want any team beating Ginebra. But game 5 is going to be interesting. Your point about Coach Tim na, I'm not smarter than Coach Tim. Bro, I mean,
I'm not.
I'm not a good cook. Alam ko pag maalat yung pagkain, that it needs less salt. You know what I mean? So, I can say that.
Yeah, sure.
I can say that. Sunny Steel, 2 minutes, 4 points.
Oh,
That's
no.
plus 4.
If he played
I
40,
did-
if he played 48. Graham, do naman. If he played 48,
You would have
okay,
won
let's
by
do the math.
96. You would have won by
Oh my
96.
God.
I mean, Coach... bro, bro, by the way, we advocated for some kay Mark Carino minutes. Scratch that. He did not look good, okay?
We also
My bad.
advocated for some more Maya minutes. I think today was a bad Maya day. I think,
Even Ralph Koo.
yeah. That's why, dude.
What did I
DF
predict?
game.
Ralph Koo will hit like 5-3.
5 threes. He hit none. He hit none. You third. He only shot
Ralph Koo,
one.
Ralph Koo, when I see you sa PBL, pag naglaro si Jolina, I'm gonna have a conversation with you.
Hey, let's talk, Ralph.
Hey,
Kala
you
mo
told
star
me.
eh, no?
Can you come to the
Kala
side?
mo,
Yeah.
kala mo coach eh, Coach Grim.
Bro, what I'm one last thing about Ginebra. You're right about Abyss. If Holt is not playing well, explore Abyss. He doesn't hurt you, at least. The times that we have seen him, this guy's just shooting
Good.
anytime he wants. Bro, di ba si Abyss, the TNT game did not hurt you. This game he
Yeah.
played well. And Nards Pinto, man. Nards Pinto has become
Stable.
a reliable backup guard for RJ and Scotty. Especially kay RJ kasi yung iniiwan ni RJ on defense, sobra yung dinadagdag ni Nards doon. The problem is, anyone sa Rain or Shine can contribute. So, hindi mo siya masyadong naramdaman. Unlike yung mga guard-focused na team like, previously Mikey Williams, TNT, or something like that. But, Game 5 is going to be interesting. I do believe and I do hope that Ginebra wins the game. If I'm forced to pick a side, I'll choose Ginebra kasi, Game 5 momentum swing, I trust Coach Tim more than I trust any other coach. But I'm gonna say this, man. First 4 games, Rain or Shine looks like the better team.
Oh, hey.
Rain
That
or
came
Shine
from
looks...
Graham, guys.
Kasi
Came from Graham.
they come back from any sort of deficit and paglamang sila ng malaki, at least in game
Hindi nila
4,
bibitawan.
they did not squander. Ginebra did that in game 2 pero nakabalik yung Ross. That's the only difference, di ba?
Game 3, Ross
Ga-
also had a lead in the first quarter.
Ross had the lead, Ginebra made a comeback, Ginebra had the lead, Ross made a comeback. It
Yeah.
was still close in the end. Ito talaga, never went down 10 points, I think. So the fact na tinalo mo yung Ginebra that way, in that fashion, on a holiday, that many people watching, it has to mean something. So I think 4 games in, Ross the better team. Ross has been the better team, but game 5, I'm very confident that Ginebra will bounce back. Hard to beat Coach Tim twice in a row in a series.
Bro, can I just say, Gardner finally passed the ball and it was a turnover. So
Yung ba yung
maybe,
yung kay ni Kelly Williams, yung
yeah,
natapik
yeah.
niya.
So maybe he shouldn't pass it.
Yeah.
Maybe he shouldn't pass the ball. But yeah, dude, whatever. The Ginebra Ross series, it's fun. Either way.
All right,
It is
guys.
fun, man. It's lived to it's as good as advertised. One last thing. Gardner's what?
Wrap up na natin to. We're
Six shot
masyado.
attempts pa lang si Gardner.
It doesn't feel
That's
that way.
crazy. It doesn't feel that. But anyway, yeah. Nico, what's your pick in game 5, man? Man up.
Ginebra. 3-2.
Okay. Got it. No, I'm just asking.
There's a
By the
dog.
way, I printed a letter. In case
Yeah, yeah,
Ginebra
yeah.
won.
Yan.
So
Ano
I
yun?
printed this letter.
Ano
Just
nakalagay dyan?
screenshot. Hold on. I'm gonna. How do we do this? Mirror. Here. All right. So I printed this letter sana if in case Ginebra won. But you know, is what it is, man. Just pause the video and read this. But yeah, it is what it is. Our props are gonna level up in the finals when we make it.
Dang, bro. Coach Shot is mad. Anyway, see you guys later.
All right, see you guys later. See you. Wait, like,
Guys,
comment,
amigos.
subscribe on YouTube. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Peace. Pwede
Everyone's
mawala yun.
discombobulated after Ginebra.
May game eh.
loss. Adios, amigos.